Hi, this is Diane from Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness with 14 weight loss lies and myths many of us still believe. You walk 5 days per week for 30 minutes, you go to the gym 3 times a week, you don't eat at night after 7 o'clock, and you stick to a low-carb healthy diet. You've lost weight and look great, but you still haven't reached the end of your weight loss journey. You haven't met your weight loss goals yet. Why don't all the well-known weight loss methods work? Do you know what to do to continue a healthy weight loss journey? Do you know what works well and what simply will not work at all? The truth is, there are many popular weight loss lies and myths, as well as diet and fitness myths that often prevent you from losing weight. Weight loss myths are everywhere you look. If you're on a weight loss journey, you may have heard of these myths, and you probably believe a lot of these myths, but most of these myths that you believe are false. The relationship between food and your body weight is very complex. So if you're interested in exploring lies about foods to help you with your successful weight loss, and you want to get the body of your dreams, pay attention to these popular diet myths you still believe about eating healthy. Weight loss myth number 1. Restricting calories is the best way to lose weight fast. This is not true. If you consume too few calories, you're sending a message to your brain that you're starving, causing weight loss progress to slow down. Researchers say that 800 to 1,000 calories per day diets are not only unhealthy and dangerous, but lead to weight loss failure. Starving yourself results in lightheadedness and nausea, as well as problems with concentrating. Eventually, you have to eat more and end up overeating to make up for the starvation. This is not the best way to lose weight. Don't buy into the lies about foods and weight loss. Focus on delicious, healthy recipes to lose weight and to help dispel myths everyone believes. Weight loss myth number 2. Be strict, and depriving myself of a full meal is good. Crash diets will not result in long-term weight loss. Sometimes crash diets can lead to a longer-term weight gain. Choosing a diet that severely limits the food you eat is boring, leading to a loss of interest in the diet and in your weight loss journey. Your body craves a variety of food. Your taste buds love variety as well. Crash diets result in missing out on essential nutrients due to the limitation of food variety consumed. You will experience low energy as well as crave high fat and high sugar food, leading to eating the wrong foods with more calories than you need, causing weight gain. Limiting your eating to the point of ridiculousness is not an effective way of losing weight. Eat your desired dessert occasionally, but cut the serving in half, or maybe share that delicious portion of cake or ice cream with a friend, because deprivation will get you nowhere. Weight loss myth number 3, say goodbye to your unhealthy food favorites. This myth is an extension of number 2. If you stop eating every unhealthy food that you enjoy, you'll be able to lose weight easier and quicker. Again, this is untrue. You will remain motivated and on track if you allow yourself to eat an unhealthy favorite food once in a while. Eating in moderation is the key to losing weight and to keeping it off. Enjoy saucy, cheesy pizza or burger from Burger King periodically, and don't feel guilty. Give yourself permission to enjoy your fun foods. Before we move on to myth number 4, if you're new to this channel and like this type of health and wellness topic, please consider joining the Treasure from Jones family and subscribe. Weight loss myth number 4, eating at night makes you gain weight. This is a common myth. The truth is that if you eat more calories on a daily basis than your body requires, the excess will be stored as fat. Alternatively, if you take in fewer calories than you burn, then you will of course lose weight. Therefore, the time of the day you eat doesn't matter as long as you burn off more calories than you eat through physical activity. Health experts say going to bed hungry prevents you from having a sound sleep. After all, you are fasting while you sleep. Breakfast is all about breaking the fast. Eating something small and light at bedtime, like a few crackers with cheese, can contribute to a more sound sleep. Weight loss myth number 5, snacking between meals is a no-no. This is not true. It's healthier to eat 6 small meals and/or snacks throughout the day than to eat 3 meals only. A healthy snack between meals will keep your blood sugar stable and discourage you from overeating at your next meal. Choose fiber-rich foods such as a tasty bran muffin, heart-healthy oatmeal, whole wheat toast, mixed raw vegetables, and sourdough pretzels to keep you full. Keep energized by eating healthy snacks like almonds, which are an excellent source of protein, peanut or nut butter with apple slices, or yogurt and fruit. Yogurt is a great dairy choice for those who don't like drinking milk. Yogurt makes you feel not only full, but gives you a high energy boost. Look for a brand that contains probiotics, which are live bacterial cultures that help maintain a healthy digestive tract. Weight loss myth number 6, all fat is bad for my health and for my weight loss journey. Fat does have a bad reputation, and yes, fat is bad up to a certain point. But good fats are necessary for the human body to function effectively. Monounsaturated fats like olive oil, creamy avocados, olives, nut butters, and canola oil provide protection against heart disease and cancers. Olive oil also lowers cholesterol. Polyunsaturated fats are responsible for the growth of body cells, and the fatty acids are needed for beautiful, glowing, healthy skin. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and shellfish are very important for the healthy functioning of the heart and reducing inflammation in the arteries, which help lower blood pressure, decrease triglyceride levels in the blood, keeps the walls in the arteries flexible, and keeps blood composition less sticky, reducing the chance of blood clots. Other benefits including decreasing breast cancer risk as well as prostate cancer and colon cancer risks. Increase dietary omega-3 fatty acids with ground flaxseed as well as nutritious walnuts. Add chopped walnuts to your salads and sprinkle ground flaxseed on your yogurt. You can also dress raw vegetables in olive oil as opposed to sautéing in vegetable oil. Weight loss myth number 7, skipping breakfast will help me lose weight. This is also not true. Breakfast is the worst meal of the day to skip. Your body has fasted for 7 to 8 hours and it needs to be refueled now. People who eat a healthy breakfast will probably not overeat later in the day, making it easier to lose weight and maintain a healthy weight. The brain and the central nervous system needs glucose to function properly and to do any type of activity. What makes for a healthy breakfast? Aim for 1 serving of protein from eggs, milk, cheese, and yogurt or peanut butter, 2 servings of fruits, and 3 servings of grains. Oatmeal is a nutrient-dense food that is perfect for weight loss because it slows down digestion and makes you feel full longer. Get plenty of fiber at breakfast, which helps keep digestion running smoothly. A simple, healthy, nutritious breakfast menu is 2 slices of whole grain bread with a tablespoon of peanut butter and a glass of orange juice or a bowl of oatmeal or high-fiber cereal, a banana, and a glass of low-fat or skim milk. Weight loss myth number 8. Dairy products should be taken out of my diet completely. This is not a good idea because dairy products are a healthy part of your diet and shouldn't be eliminated completely. Choose low-fat and non-fat dairy products to help with weight loss goals, especially for meeting calcium requirements. Research says that getting enough calcium through the foods you eat and the beverages you consume will encourage weight loss, so drink up, guys. Weight loss myth number 9. Willpower is the most important element in your weight loss journey. Many believe that resisting the temptation to eat everything in sight is simply a matter of willpower, self-control, and discipline. But other factors such as genetics, the culture we live in, our home, our work environment, our lifestyle choices, our medical history, our attitude towards food, and the condition of our health are critically important as well. You see, it's important to know and understand diet and fitness myths. Eating a nutritious diet and following healthy recipes on a consistent basis with regular exercise focusing on calorie in versus calorie out can help you achieve success with your weight loss journey. Weight loss myth number 10. Drinking lots of water daily will help me lose weight fast and easy. Well, the human body does need water to replenish the amount that is lost daily. However, drinking water in and of itself will not lead to fast weight loss. Your weight loss and muscles are composed of 60 to 70% water. So yes, if you're trying to lose weight, drinking more water is a good place to start. You may want to cut out drinking soda and reduce drinking high-calorie juices as well. Water consumption is excellent for the digestive system, chronic fatigue, depression, allergies, suppressing the appetite, improving muscle tone, as well as improving kidney and bowel functions. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water per day to support your weight loss goal. Weight loss myth number 11, all slimming pills are safe to use for weight loss. Not all how to lose fast weight loss products are effective or even safe to use for weight loss. There are a number of prescribed medicines available from your physician for weight loss. There are also unprescribed, unlicensed weight loss products available on the market, which may contain ingredients that are harmful to your health. If you're concerned about your weight, consult your doctor. Weight loss myth number 12, low-fat or reduced-fat labeled foods are always the best healthy choice. Again, this is not true. Did you know that foods labeled low-fat have to contain no more than a specific amount of fat to legally use that label? If a food is labeled as low-fat or reduced fat, it must contain less fat than the full-fat version, but that doesn't automatically make it a healthy choice. You must check the label to see how much fat it contains. Some low-fat foods may contain high levels of sugar. Weight loss myth number 13. Fast food is always fattening. Well, this is not true. Not all fast food is unhealthy. Today, because of people's increased health consciousness, many fast food chains have started offering healthier options. Some, such as Chipotle, even focus exclusively on serving healthy food. It is possible to get relatively healthy food at most restaurants. Most cheap fast food restaurants often provide healthy alternatives to the main offerings. These foods may not satisfy the demands of every health-conscious individual, but they're still a decent choice if you don't have the time or the energy to cook a healthy meal. Weight loss tip number 14. People with obesity are unhealthy and thin people are healthy. Again, this is not true. It is true that obesity increases your risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, as well as some cancers. However, plenty of people with obesity are metabolically healthy, and plenty of thin people have the same chronic diseases. If your fat builds up in your abdominal area around the middle, you're at a greater risk of metabolic disease. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found some value here, please give this video a like. If you think this video will be helpful to family and friends, please share it with them. Please don't forget to subscribe. Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness posts videos 2 to 3 times a week. So kindly hit that notification button so you'll know when future videos are posted. Also, please select another video to watch and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.